Hello friends, welcome to Info Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 13th May. Let's start. In the year of 1830, on this day, the Republic of Ecuador was established, with Juan José Flores becoming the first president. In the year of 1846, on this day, the Congress has declared war against its neighboring country amid the tension between the US and Mexico over the last 1 year regarding Texas. In the year of 1901, on this day, freedom fighter Mathura Prasad Mishra Vaidya was born. In the year of 1905, on this day, former President of India Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad was born. In the year of 1918, on this day, T. Bala Saraswati, the famous dancer of Bharatanatyam, was born. In the year of 1951, on this day, Hasrat Mohani, the famous poet of Lucknow, was died. In the year of 1952, on this day, first session of Parliament convened in independent India. In the year of 1956, on this day, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, the spiritual leader who founded the Art of Living Foundation, was born. In the year of 1960, on this day, a Swiss search team led by Max Eslin reached the Dhaulagiri mountain peak in the Himalayas. In the year of 1962, on this day, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan becomes the second president of the country. In the year of 1978, on this day, the first flag carrier of the country, INS Delhi, was retired. In the year of 1981, on this day, Pope John Paul II is shot dead by a Turkish citizen in St. Peter's Square in Vatican City. The Pope was seriously injured in this attack. In the year of 1995, on this day, Alison Hargreaves became the first woman to reach the summit of Everest without an oxygen cylinder. In the year of 1998, on this day, India did two more nuclear tests regardless of the criticism and pressure around the world. In the year of 2001, on this day, one of the outstanding Indian writers who wrote in English, R.K. Narayan, was passed away. In the year of 2006, on this day, renowned Indian doctor Hemlata Gupta passed away. In the year of 2009, on this day, the European Commission imposed the biggest penalty in history on computer chip maker Intel for over 1 billion euros for adopting inaccurate business policies towards a rival company. In the year of 2016, on this day, Baba Hardev Singh, India's famous saint and the spiritual guru of Saint Nirankari Mission, passed away. In the year of 2020, on this day, Union Cabinet approved the revised new definition of MSME. MSMEs were redefined based on investment threshold and turnover size. Medium units will now be redefined as companies with investments up to 50 crore rupees and businesses up to 250 crore rupees. In the year of 2020, on this day, Telangana becomes the first Indian state to tell farmers what to develop as part of its pilot project. The government will now regulate the cultivation of crops and limit the cultivation of paddy crops to only 5 million acres. The state government also regulated the cultivation of red gram in 10 lakh acres. That's all. Thanks for watching.